everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we're going to make this origami flower envelope. This is a freebie that's available to members of our Facebook group. I'll put the link down below for that. If you don't want to join the Facebook group, I'll also make this available in our Etsy shop. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to begin, we printed this out on paper, and then we flipped it over and printed a printable paper on the back. And if you're wondering where this came from, it's from our farmhouse cottage kit. But you can use any paper that you like, whatever matches your project. And so to start with, you're going to cut out your flower shape. And what you'll want to do is take a ruler and line it up on these lines that go from, the corner of this petal to the corner of this petal. And you'll want to go ahead and just fold that. And make sure you crease it really good. And you may even want to flip it backwards and crease it just to make sure it's super pliable. And then we'll go to the next one and we'll do the same thing. Crease it, and then the next one, and then the next one, and so on until you've gone across all these corners from, petal corner to petal corner. And when you're done with that, what you'll probably want to do is line up these kind of where this triangle or diamond shape is from here to here in the middle of your petal, and go ahead and just pinch your petal. Not the whole thing, don't go all the way across, but just this petal piece right here. And then we'll do that with the next one and the next one. So we'll line up just like this, these diamonds, and we'll make a little crease right here. And what we're trying to do is just fold these petals across. And once you've done all of them, what you're gonna do is just line up your petals and pinch them like this. And then you'll wanna fold it to the side so that it lines up with this edge. And just repeat that for each petal. Fold it in the center, line it up with the edge. So fold your petal so that it's nice and centered. And then fold it to the side so it lines up. I know this is a little tricky, but once you do it a couple times, you'll kind of get how it works. And then once they're all done, you may have to, work with them a little bit to kind of get it to fold. And then it should fold down into your envelope shape, just like that. And then you open it up, you pinch the petals to fold it. And they may be a little stubborn at first. Just go ahead and manipulate them. And if it's not working as well as you want, you can smooth it down like this, and that'll kind of help tell it where to fold. Okay. And I've got another video for this. If you want to see kind of from start to finish, I'll go ahead and link that down below for you. Okay, and then when you're done, if you want, you can add these pieces to the top. And what you do is you just line them up with your edge here and your curve. And they make kind of a cute little sewing pattern, just like that. And you can glue those down if you want to, but that's up to you. And when you're finished, you can fill your envelope with cute little surprises, like these, and then go ahead and close those up inside. And then you can add it to your journal page. And it's a nice way to just hold some fun little surprises for the recipient of your journal. Here we go. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Bye.